Rolls-Royce is a British luxury car and aero-engine manufacturing business established in 1904 in Manchester by the partnership of Charles Rolls and Henry Royce. Building on Royce's good reputation established with his cranes, they quickly developed a reputation for superior engineering by manufacturing the best car in the world. Charles Rolls was born into a wealthy family in 1877. He was educated at Eton and Cambridge, and after graduating he worked as a stockbroker. However, his passion was for cars, and he soon became a successful racing driver. In 1903, he set up a car dealership in London. C.S. Rolls and Company Henry Royce was born into a more humble background in 1863. He was self-educated, and after working as an apprentice engineer, he set up his own electrical and mechanical business in Manchester in 1884. In 1904, he built his first car, the Royce 10. The two men met in 1904, and they quickly agreed to form a partnership to manufacture cars. The first Rolls-Royce car, the Silver Ghost, was launched in 1906. It was an immediate success, and it quickly established Rolls-Royce as the leading luxury car manufacturer in the world. Rolls-Royce cars were known for their luxurious appointments, quietness, and reliability. They were also costly, and they were only affordable to the very wealthy. In 1914, Rolls-Royce began manufacturing aero-engines. These engines were used in many British aircraft during World War I and helped make Rolls-Royce a global brand. After the war, Rolls-Royce continued to produce both cars and aero-engines. The company also expanded into other areas, such as marine engines and turbines. In 1971, Rolls-Royce was nationalized by the British government. However, the company was privatized again in 1987. Today, Rolls-Royce is a subsidiary of BMW. The company continues to manufacture luxury cars, and it is also a leading manufacturer of aero-engines. The history of Rolls-Royce is a story of innovation, engineering excellence, and luxury. The company's cars are synonymous with wealth, power, and prestige. Rolls-Royce cars are still manufactured today, and they continue to be some of the most desirable cars in the world.